And you can believe me, this Caligula rabbit hole is a very, very deep shithole, and I can call the names. And if they continue to force me to go through another hell like that, I will call the names. But in the meantime, we have another workplace killing having happened not too far away in the 9th district of Vienna. The protagonists are the Czech, the Slovak, and the Slovak. About 16th of July, the Czech beats one Slovak, and then the Slovak goes to the Russian exit, which usually is the window, and drops out of the window. Nothing happens. It was just having dropped out of the window. I don't know if he was drunk or intoxicated in any way. So, actually, the Slovak was culpable, but nothing happened. They thought it was an accident. But then he stopped being prudent and did beat the next Slovak to his passing. Like that. But now the authorities found out there must be some kind of connection, because it was in the same house, in the same hotel. So in the end, they found out he is the perpetrator in both cases, and he excused this by saying they had threatened him. And I must explain, all three of them, I don't know if any one of them was kind of boss or so. I think they were just colleagues. So he said that the two Slovaks, both now dead, had threatened him. And this was in the construction area. It was not white-collar work. It was not an office work. Because in office work, this is called mobbing. But he could only explain this by they had threatened him. I don't know in which way. And I connect this guy to David Kozaks, who also was Czech. And we all think back to David Kozaks, Prague, 21st of December. Rest in peace, David.